Hi everybody, Jeff here with another episode of Jeff Attempts. So this one's a little embarrassing, but it comes into a little bit of advice on how to fix problems that you may have caused. One of the first problems I had was I was in a little bit too much of a hurry. Had my coffee over here, I was going over to grab it from the top, kind of like that, full of coffee. Flew off the counter, bounced off the floor, spraying coffee all over this beautiful area right here.
When did that happen?
Jen, we're rolling. Okay, so, coffee everywhere. I'm cleaning it off. I'm wiping things down. But unfortunately, there's a little bit of a gap here, and then underneath. And coffee went under the mini fridge. So, don't sigh. I cleaned it up. So anyways, I had to pull the microwave out. No,
it's not a microwave.
Yes, this is a refrigerator. Thank you, honey. This is a refrigerator. I had to pull this completely out, but unfortunately, having cats, where there was like a little bit of food or grit or something, and if you look down here, did a nice big scratch when I pulled the fridge out. So, what I've been reading online, there's... Well, I'm explaining how it came. So, I've been reading online that with a walnut, hopefully a pecan also, because I actually don't have a walnut, I do have a pecan piece, that you can actually use that to erase a hardwood floor scratch. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to rub it on the scratch. Gotta rub it really good. And then you're supposed to rub your finger on it too, and that's supposed to get into the scratch and help it disappear. I don't know if this works because I'm trying this just now.
Oh my gosh.
Well, it made it less visible. It's darker. It's definitely still there.
Look at
But it definitely made it a little bit less noticeable. So maybe that actually worked.
You're forgiven.
Thank you, honey. All right, so that was another episode of Jeff Attempts. Like to check out our other videos or see what else we've got going on, click the other videos either on Facebook or YouTube. Thanks again, and hope you have a great day.